What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coils on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just want to pull this cover off, just grab underneath the cover, slide up, and then up there and there is these retainers that hold it in. They just push on little grommets right on those locations. This is where your coils are. There's 4 of them on this particular engine. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. Just disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the lock tab and slide it out, just like that. Take a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Loosen up this bolt right here. Take that bolt out. You can grab the coil. Sometimes you just twist it a little bit and slide it out. Now the seal got stuck on there, so you want to take the seal off. Put it back on the coil, and there's the coil. Here's the old part. Here's the new coil from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. The mounting position is the same. Connector is the same. The other end is the same, very similar design. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. I'm going to take the coil. I'm just going to take a little bit of dielectric grease. Just put a little bit in there. It's always a good idea. You don't necessarily have to, but it helps. And take the coil, slide that in position. And that's good. Get the 10mm bolt. Get that started. Just take a 10mm socket and a ratchet and just snug this down. It's good. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. And then I'm going to do the same with the other ones. Take this cover. We want to line these little tabs up with these little pins right there. There's 3 of them. Just push it down and then you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.